What if you woke up and saw a message saying your work hours changed starting today? No warning, no discussion, just come in earlier or don't come in at all. So let's clear this up properly. Can your boss change your work schedule without notice in Jamaica? The short answer is sometimes, but not unfairly and not without limits. In Jamaica, employers may organize work schedules, but they must act reasonably, fairly, and in line with your contract. It is important to check your contract first. Your employment contract or workplace policy often states your normal working hours, shift arrangements, how schedules can be changed, how much notice should be given. If your contract says notice is required, the employer must follow it. Can an employer change hours without notice? Here's the key rule. Schedule changes should come with reasonable notice. Sudden changes can be unfair if they disrupt childcare, school, or transportation. Reduce your hours and pay without agreement. Punish you. Happen repeatedly without explanation. Let's examine the difference between emergencies and normal operations. In genuine emergencies, like weather events or urgent operational needs, short notice changes may happen. But emergencies should not be used as an excuse for constant last-minute changes. What happens if your hours are reduced? If your schedule change, cuts your hours significantly, or reduces your pay? This may amount to unfair treatment or breach of contract. Repeated reductions without consultation can be challenged. What your employer should do. Good practice includes giving advance notice where possible, explaining the reason for the change, consulting with employees, applying changes consistently. They should follow a fair process when making changes. What you can do as a worker. If your schedule keeps changing without notice, 1. Ask for clarification in writing. 2. Check your contract or staff handbook. 3. Keep messages and schedules. 4. Raise the issue with HR or management. 5. If the matter is not resolved internally, then you can contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, if it becomes unfair. Your time matters. Schedule changes should not be used to control, punish, or disadvantage workers. If this video helped you understand your work hours better, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know their rights. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.